Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Pinterest baddie makeup look. I have already prepped my skin, so we are going to jump straight to the makeup. So starting with this Pilgrim Glow Primer. This primer really helps to smooth out the skin, and the baddie makeup look always clean and flawless, so primer is a must. Next I'm using this Inside Color Corrector palette. I'm using this orange corrector around my mouth and the areas where I have dark spots, and I'm using my fingers to blend the corrector. And now I'm going in with the PAC Liquid HD foundation. Talking about this foundation, it really gives a good coverage and also it doesn't make my foundation look cakey. And one thing I really like about this foundation, that it gives a very glowy finish. So definitely I'm going to repurchase it again and again. For blending the foundation, I'm using this Mars foundation brush. It blends so easily and gives a flawless finish. So before starting my eye makeup, I'm using this concealer from Swiss Beauty and applying it on my eyelid and setting it with the Swiss Beauty loose powder. So for a Pinterest baddie makeup look, I want my eyes to look more lifted. I've used a sellotape, and for eyeshadow, I'm using this light brown shade as a transition shade, and now I'm using this dark brown shade and applying it on the outer corner of my lid. Next I'm using a kajal for a wing liner. So after applying the kajal, I'm using a flat brush to smudge it to give a smoky eye effect, and then I'm going in with the inner eyeliner, because adding an inner eyeliner in baddie makeup is the main thing because it instantly sharpens the eyes. And now here I'm adding a light brown shade on my lower lash line. Now to add a volume to my lashes, I'm using this Swiss Beauty mascara. For filling in the eyebrows, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. I think a good lifted eyebrow can make your eye makeup look more lifted. So I'm just filling in the gaps and brushing my eyebrows. I'm just defining them and making the tail look more sharp. Now I'm using a bright shade concealer to apply it under my eyes and around my mouth and in between my forehead. And now for blending the concealer, I'm using a setting spray onto the beauty blender. This trick helps the concealer to last all day. Now I'm using this flat brush for contouring. So firstly I'm contouring my cheeks and jawline because I have that chubby face, and then I'm contouring my nose. And make sure after contouring you blend it very nicely so that no harsh line should visible. Now for the blush, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Cream It Up blush. Locking everything in place with this Swiss Beauty loose powder. And next for lips, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Chocolate Brown. This shade is so perfect for outlining the lips and making it look more fuller. And next for the lipstick, I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Nudist. This lipstick is so good, it looks so perfect on every skin tone. Next I'm adding this lip gloss from Inside Cosmetic. Next adding a powder highlighter from the Sugar Cosmetic on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cheeks and on the inner corner of my eyes. Now setting my makeup with this Swiss Beauty setting spray. And yeah, this is how my eye makeup look without the false lashes, and this is how my eye makeup look with the false lashes.